The once-in-a-lifetime eclipse event is almost here. With 4 minutes and 13 seconds of totality, Waco is one of the best places to view the 2024 solar eclipse. Waco has been working with Baylor University, Lowell Observatory, and Discovery to bring you a can't-miss event on Monday, April 8th. Eclipse over Texas 2024, live from Waco, will feature a full day of activities at McLean Stadium's Touchdown Alley, including a guided eclipse viewing by expert astronomers, access to telescopes, educational science activities, and food trucks. To purchase tickets for the April 8th event, visit waco-texas.com/eclipse. Leading up to the eclipse, we have a jam-packed lineup of free events. 3 free concerts from April 5th to April 7th, featuring Lucas Nelson, Band of Horses, Big Boy, Arrested Development, DJ Z-Trip, Dwight Yoakam, Caitlin Butts, and Ty Myers, all taking the stage. The Steam Clips Expo, the Glow Over Waco 5K Run, and the Lights Over Waco Festival, where you can witness an incredible display of glowing lanterns and a dazzling drone light show. Stop by the Art Center or one of the 4 Waco-McLennan County Library locations from April 1st to April 4th to make a custom Lights Over Waco Festival lantern for free. They will provide all the supplies. Check out the full schedule at waco-texas.com/DIY lanterns. While you're enjoying the eclipse on Monday, April 8th, remember to prioritize your eye safety. Only wear ISO certified eclipse safety glasses during the eclipse. Regular sunglasses are not safe. The only time it is safe to look at a total eclipse without eye protection is during the brief period of totality when the sun is getting 100% blocked by the moon. With the eclipse bringing in visitors from across the country to witness this awe-inspiring astronomical event, expect an increase in traffic around Waco. To help you plan your weekend and find the latest information on traffic detours and parking options, visit waco-texas.com/eclipse. On Saturday, March 23rd, the city of Waco and young athletes celebrated the opening of the newly completed Challenger and Lake Air Little League ballpark. Residents came out for a ribbon-cutting ceremony to check out the new grounds and watch a quick wiffle ball game between members of the Waco City Council and local Little League players. The new complex is located at 2015 North 44th Street and is home to 4 baseball fields and 2 softball fields. The complex also includes 2 specialized inclusive fields for Challenger Little League with rubberized base paths, pitcher's mound, and batter box to prevent injuries. The inclusive fields also have wheelchair-accessible dugouts and a flat surface. For more information about youth and adult baseball and softball leagues and tournaments, visit teamsideline.com/Waco. Construction on Highway 6 is nearly complete. Traffic is already flowing smoothly with all main lanes and frontage roads now open. The Texas Department of Transportation is expected to have the Highway 6 expansion project complete later this spring. Remaining tasks include U-turn work, landscaping, and a few finishing touches. TxDOT's Mall-to-Mall project started 2 years ago and stretches from Richland Mall at Highway 84 to Central Texas Marketplace at Bagby Avenue. TxDOT crews reconstructed the bridges and main lanes and built continuous frontage roads so that drivers can easily turn around from either direction. For more information about the Mall-to-Mall highway expansion, visit texdot.gov.